Today did not go as planned. We were supposed to go
compete.
We were supposed to compete in DC at a cheer comp today, and we ended up all getting sent home because there's this blizzard. So instead of cheerleading, we decided that we're gonna do something really fun today. We are going to tattoo a duck.
The fake skin duck.
A fake skin duck. So
Like, hello?
I think it's made out of like silicone. I'm gonna teach Meadow how to do a glitter tattoo on this duck.
Are you though?
Oh, I am.
Are you? I've already done a glitter tattoo before.
On a duck?
No.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to actually stencil these on the duck. We're gonna try. I want you to pick between.
We have this chick. We have this frog. We have this star. And then we have this strawberry.
You pick. Which one do you want to try first?
Strawberry.
We need to put on gloves first. I've just never put on a stencil on a duck before. And it's hard to put on stencils on fake skin, so. Okay, so first what you want to do.
Let's examine this duck. I am a surgeon.
Okay, first what you want to do is you're going to take this, open it up. I'm not gonna do it, but I'm gonna show you what to do. You're gonna put a little bit right here on your hand.
I know, I've done this before, bruh. Not on a duck.
Oh, you know what? This one might not have been opened yet. I guess it has. Maybe I just wasn't squeezing hard enough. Now we're gonna close that, and then where on the duck should we go? You wanna go on the head of it.
Okay, can I do this?
Yeah. So you're gonna take it, dip it with your finger. I would do a little bit of it, and then, yep. Very good, very good. Take this.
The rest.
Just leave it for now. You're gonna take this, and you're gonna lay it evenly. So take two hands like this and lay it evenly on the top of the duck head.
Right here.
Yep, and then just hold your hand on it. Slowly peel.
I put too much on it.
Yeah, that's not very good.
Here, get a paper towel. I put too much on it, okay? Like, stop touching me.
So we're gonna try something other than the strawberry because the strawberry stencil was messed up.
It's not my fault.
So let's try the chick now.
Okay, my turn. Oh, this way. I think I messed it up again.
So you're moving it like that.
I'm not moving at all.
You are, you're like wiggling a little bit.
Gosh.
Okay, peel it off.
That was not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not that bad.
Let that dry. Here's the next step. Obviously we're outlining it in black.
Oh, really? Kidding. I'm kidding.
What color do you want to make the middle? We're gonna do glitter, so what glitter?
Colors.
What glitter color? I pick the colors. You tell me what color you want, and then I'll make the glitter palette.
No, I want to see the colors we have.
All right, I'm saving these stencils for another time. All right, hold on. We're gonna need black. Are you paying attention?
Yeah.
And then we can do red glitter, sea green, blue. I have like a lime green.
Get that out. I don't like that one.
Purple, I don't really think we should do purple, but I'll put it out there. Pink, orange. We also need white because that's what's gonna make it pop. You wanna do this?
Sea green.
You know, some people would pay good money to get trained to tattoo, just saying.
Well, I'm not paying because I'm your doctor, so. And also, I'm 11.
So you don't have money, so you're broke.
Actually, I have $19 on Apple Pay, so.
Big baller.
Stop.
All right, let me get some needles. 11 RS, that's our liner. Boom. Are you ready for your first line?
Yeah.
Kind of hold it like this so you could stabilize your hand. And then, yep, exactly.
I'm scared. What if I get poked by it?
You're not gonna get poked by it. Wrong way. Push it in and then turn it to the right. See how it's like hanging out?
Yes. Just stop.
To make it go in more, turn it like this. So we're gonna take our,
See, that's a Chick-fil-A on Sunday. It doesn't.
I'm gonna hold this for you. Hold this with your right hand, and you're gonna take
Do I turn it on yet?
a little bit of that and put a glob there. Perfect, just like that, a little bit more. You're gonna take your finger and you're gonna put it right there on the booty. Okay, okay, how are you gonna draw without ink? Your angle has to be right.
I don't want to blow
Yeah, that's pretty
out.
good. Good job! As you get there, you have to tilt it up this way, so it's always pointing down at it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Make sure you slow down. It's not a race, okay? You gotta make sure that you're in the right, nope, you just made it. See how you went too high. You gotta watch the needle. And the goal with tattooing is not to go over things again and again. You wanna be like one line and then go. I would do the leggies now. Yes, good. I know that you guys can't see it, but I think when you guys see it, it'll be a bigger surprise. So we're gonna show you Meadow's result of her line work. Now go easy on her, she's 11. So it's not bad.
It's terrible. Here's what we're gonna start with. Why are you looking at me like that? You looking at my big butt?
You ain't got a big bugger. It's gonna go dark to light, and the dark is gonna start on the outsides. So you're gonna dip in this one first, and you're gonna start right on the line. Good, up closer to the edge, closer to the line, closer, like on top of the line. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Very nice. Now keep going all the way around.
Does this like hurt most of your clients?
Yeah.
Really? Because it's just like boop, boop, boop.
Mm-hmm.
Most people hate it.
The
like
glitter or just tattoos in general?
The glitter. Because it's just
I would
like,
say some people hate it, but not everybody. Next time we're teaching you how to do it. I think you're done.
I am.
Okay, so turn your machine off, set it down. It's super normal to have a lot of mess ups with lining and stuff like that in the beginning. Meadow May, how do you feel about your first glitter tattoo on a duck?
It's mid.
1 to 10, how do you think you did?
5.
I feel like you did pretty good. I know that you're hard on yourself, but I'm being serious. It's not that bad. What do you think the hardest part about tattooing is, like for you, in your experience today?
Lines.
Lines? The coloring part was like easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think it's cool because we'll do a new tattoo on here every time, and it should get better every time.
It's gonna be a series.
This can totally be a series. We're gonna show you guys and give you the big reveal in just a second, but we wanted to remind you that we're gonna be doing random giveaways for commenters and subscribers, so make sure that you guys comment down below. Let us know some other things you want us to add to the duck or things you just want Meadow to tattoo. And we can pretty much draw anything on the duck, so. And we have plenty of space.
We drew a duck on a duck.
We did a duck on a duck. Are you ready for the reveal? So white does not show up on a silicone duck, by the way, but I think Meadow did an amazing job and we're super proud of her. We hope you guys liked our video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We will totally be back for more, so make sure that you check out our channel. Miss Future Tattoo Artist.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you comment and subscribe.